What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Blab. I appreciate you stopping by, and without further ado, let's blab. So, we're going to take a look at some of the price action for Prismatic Evolutions, the super limited product that nobody can get, right? Okay, so if we look at the Elite Trainer box, 95 bucks. Looks like a real healthy chart going on, right? We're establishing our positions, and the chart is, higher highs. No, definitely not. Lower lows, no established price. This thing is going to continue to fall. Let's move on to the Prismatic Evolutions Pokemon Center Elite Trainer box. Fantastic. Like, literally the most limited product you can get. It's impossible to find. Nobody has it. It's going to be $1 million in 3-4 years, yada, yada, yada. Ooh, this looks like a really healthy chart. Really healthy. We start at like $400. Then we dip all the way down to $260. Then we go back up to $350. Then back down. This is what we call lower lows, right? So we go all the way down here, and then we have a bounce back up, and now we establish an even lower low. We're bouncing back up, and then we'll establish an even lower low. I mean, this is $180 in a few months, right? Not financial advice, but if you're buying this, you're going to have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 times the amount of money to quote-unquote dollar cost average out of your $400 position on a single box. Crazy. All right, now let's take a look at the cards. Everybody knows the cards are falling, right? But are they establishing positions? No, they're not. They're in absolute free fall for the last 6 months. For the last 3 months, an absolute free fall on this card. Sub $1,000. I mean, this is $500 in a few months. All right, Sylveon. Again, very strange looking a chart. I mean, this is not a chart you want to be investing into. It doesn't show any direction. We start out at $600. We go all the way down to $460. We go back up to $560. But again, we're establishing lower lows each time, right? So, Leafeon, my favorite evolution of this set. I think the dark outline makes the card much more readable and not a horrible card. It is horrible at $300. Same kind of thing. We're starting off at $450. We're down to $350. We're back up. Higher highs, guys. Higher highs. And then we fall all the way back down off a cliff. This will be, I don't know, $200 a few months. Espeon, $258 market price. Again, just a fantastic looking chart here. Yup, we're booming up, and then we're collapsing all the way back down, lower lows. I mean, hundreds of thousands of units going to Costco. That's what's going to happen with these cards. Vaporeon, probably the worst of the set. Impossible to read card. We got the stained glass design on the Pokemon itself, and behind it, it looks horrible. It's a terrible card. If you want to check out what I think of all of these cards, previously, you can check out my first video I ever posted, just absolutely destroying these arts. And yes, I've seen them in person. They're not good. They don't compare to, Evolving Skies or some of the promo cards that we've gotten. They're just not good. Anyway, same weird looking chart. Starting out at 320, we go all the way up to 385. Now we're falling off a cliff. We're not even establishing our lower low yet. We're just in an absolute free fall. Let's continue. Jolteon, really bad as well. Just nothing going on here. Just random lines that create a design. Not in any setting. It's just a bad card. $250 right now. This looks really fun, right? I mean, we were climbing. We were climbing all the way up. We started at 220. We're climbing all the way up 320, past 320, and then we collapse, right? This is probably the Costco drop right here. Is that what we should call it? The Costco drop. And this is going to continue to drop over 4 years. I mean, we're looking at Prismatic Evolutions, SIRs that are going to be sub $100. Okay, and last Flareon, again, we got the Lord of the Rings, no setting going on, just terrible card. And another weird chart, we go from 225, we'll go all the way from 225 to 400. Yep, great investment. I got it at 225, I flipped it for 450, and, nope, we're all the way back down. We're not even establishing our lows yet. Essentially, this video is just saying we have not established a floor, not even close. Glaceon, same thing. Let's go to the 6 month, and we're going up, we're laddering up, we're trading a little bit sideways, but we're laddering up. Nope, free fall. Okay, so I wanted to take a look at what I think these will be. Sometime in the near future. We're at the beginning. I'd say we're beginning to midsummer right now. These will continue to fall all summer. This is what they're currently at, right? So these are the Japanese cards, but we're just gonna pretend that they're English. Currently, this should be 500 plus. Sorry about that. Currently, this is the only card at 500 plus. We just saw that it is now under 1,000. All these other cards are in the 2 to 500 range. Okay, so first we're gonna take this card here. These are at least gonna fall to here. Just hard to read cards, nothing going on. that'll be included there. These will probably stay in this range. This will fall down to here. This will probably be a $400 to $500 card. This will be a $300 to $400 card. This will be a $200 to $300 card, and we'll throw that guy there. If we want to change this up just a little bit, these are all sub 100. We'll put that there. This if you're bullish on the market, this is what you're hoping, right? Like, even if we move these up, guys, we're still falling off a cliff even more. If this is bullish right here, this is hyper bullish, and the hyper bullish perspective, we're still falling off a cliff. Okay, so anyway, I appreciate you guys stopping by. Prismatic is not a limited product. Don't let these hyper shills and rip and shippers and LGS stores tell you to spend 3x MSRP as your entry point. It's just absolute garbage. We're looking at sealed product. We're looking at cards. It's all falling, and it's not establishing a floor. So anyone telling you that it's starting to trade sideways and we're establishing a floor, show them these charts. Are we establishing floors here, guys? Are we establishing? The floor is 460. Okay, we'll see what happens here. We got what, a little dead cat bounce off. It doesn't even show it in that chart. Got a little dead cat bounce from 466 to 470, and we will be at 370 by maybe the end of the week. I don't know. Show them these charts. Like, are you buying product when you see a chart like this? Oh, we're at our lows. We're at our all-time lows, right? We're at our all-time lows. It's a buying opportunity. I don't know, guys. It might be a buying opportunity to get $3, $4, $5 illustration rares that are coming off $20, $30 highs. But these hypermodern sets that are in free fall, it's crazy. These sets are in literal free fall, and people are telling you that you got to buy. They were telling you had to buy up here. They're telling you have to buy down here. They're just telling you to buy all the time. There's really no analysis that's taking place in most of these channels, no understanding of the printing that's going on. It's just, I'm a card shop owner, I'm a YouTuber, I only got 4 cases, it's super limited, it's got to be 12x MSRP. It's just, I don't know. Wanted to shoot this out there because the booster box being, or the Elite Trainer box being sub $100, as well as the Umbreon being sub $1,000, is definitely a market indicator, and that's the reason I wanted to come out with this today. Obviously, this was like a little goofy. I have no idea what's really going to go on. I think that the Umbreon probably stays above $500 just because it's the fan favorite and the set is ridiculous. But, I could see literally all of these cards here being sub 200, right? Like, very easily. Just due to the price action and due to the printing that's going on at Pokemon Company right now. Anyway, that's enough blabbing for now. I appreciate you stopping by, and I will see you in the next one.